That's low beams right there, and high beams. All right, I just got these really nice LEDs from AUXITO. They're for my Cummins truck, 2012 Dodge Ram. It's my tow rig that I move all the race cars around with, and customer cars, you name it. Tomorrow I'm going to pick up a massive 2,000-pound smoker for somebody. But anyways, this thing's come in a real nice box. I saw some videos, they look crazy bright, so figured I'd give them a try. It's got some, I think, halogens on it, but they don't seem to be that great, especially in any type of weather. Doing a little upgrade, this ought to do it. Looks pretty easy. Headlights come out relatively easy on those trucks. I'll try and get a video. All right, the grill comes out in about 2 seconds. The panel has these nice fun clips you got to pop out with one of these. Pretty easy. The grill has 4 up top, comes apart in about 2 seconds, and then it's snapped in down here on each side. You got to be careful with those. Other than that, that's about a 2-minute job max, mainly getting the tools out. Headlight, 10 mil here, 10 mil right here, already pulled them out. And then there's an access door right here, and there's a plastic clip. I don't think you'll be able to, that plastic clip slides down and releases the headlight, and it slides right out. Way easier than on a 3rd gen. All right, here's the old bulb, and it's already been switched to LED, but they don't seem to be that great. So they don't have a amplifier like these do. So I'm gonna swap them anyways. Hopefully these AUXITO, they're an improvement. Find out here in the morning. All right, so the high and low beams use different style plugs. Those ones are spread apart farther than the others. So the low beam, which is on the top, we'll use this one. High beam uses the one with the bigger spread. Just take those dust shields off. Super easy. That's the amplifier just tucked away in there, so it all fits in there nicely, as you can still get the dust covers on. Super nice setup so far. The kit comes with some nice gloves, some extra O-rings. All right, so here's my old bulb. The high beam was not LED already, so that means we're definitely getting a nice upgrade there. Low beam was LED, but just wasn't that bright. All right, so that's the low beam. The left is the AUXITO, as in the right side of the truck, but the left side in the video. So passenger side is the new AUXITO. That's the old LED one in there. Looks a bit more crispy, probably really hard to tell during the day like this. And then here is the AUXITO Brights, which is on the passenger side. That's a LED. The other one was just a halogen, as you can see, so big upgrade there. All right, right away. Way brighter. Looks like we're gonna be in good shape. It's 4:30 in the morning. Ready to hit the road. All right, these AUXITO's great. I don't feel like I need to have my brights on every time it's night out, so we're sitting good now. Definitely recommend. All right, that's low beams right there.